In a place called University of Brawijaya, thousands of dreams take shape. Faculty of Economics and Business, where tomorrow's accountant and business leaders begin.
Okay, so can I ask you a few questions about the University of Brawijaya? It's okay, don't worry. You can mix in Bahasa English like that's for people. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, can you speak English? Oh yes, you can.
Excuse me, bro. Yeah. My name is Bilasan Alfaiz Diri. I'm from University of Brawijaya, Majority Accounting. Today I would like to ask you about occupation, why you wish to come to Brawijaya and choosing accounting major. Are you accounting major? Yes, right. Okay.
Selamat pagi Kak. Kamu dari komisi apa dan
Oh, aku dari
Oke. Bisa duduk juga.
Alright, the first question. Why did you choose the University of Brawijaya instead of other universities?
Saya warlock gitu ya, karena di Malang jadi dekat gitu, close from my from my home. And the other reason is because accounting major in Brawijaya University is one of
The best.
the best in top 10 Indonesia.
Kemudian University Brawijaya ke University dengan fakultas ekonomi bisnis saya, menurut saya itu dia mempunyai program-program yang sangat bagus, jadi saya memilih Brawijaya ini sebagai kampus saya ketimbang kampus-kampus yang lain.
My first reason is because UB is one of the best top 10 university in Indonesia. Of course, UB has a good reputation, so I think UB has a beautiful environment too. Besides that, UB is also in the same province as where I live.
Because the FEB in UB is really good, and especially the accounting major.
okay.
I chose Brawijaya University is because Brawijaya University one of best ranked campus in Indonesia. It's top 10 currently in Indonesia.
Because Brawijaya is one of the top 10 universities in Indonesia, and it become my dream campus, and I made it happen.
My main reason why I chose Brawijaya because my older brother who also studied here make me inspired to study in Brawijaya too.
It's a beautiful university has a strong reputation, especially in the business economics, yes, and top 10 university.
Okay, because University of Brawijaya is one of top 10 university in Indonesia.
I chose University of Brawijaya because it's known for one of the top university in Indonesia, and it's also known for their strong reputation also, yeah.
What do you think makes UB special or different from other campuses? The reason that makes me honestly still amazed is because it is one of the inclusive university in Indonesia, and that is very interesting too. So that is makes UB different from other university in Indonesia. Besides that, I also like the environment of UB, which is beautiful, cool, and has a lot of trees like I said before.
In other campus, there's no assistancy, especially in accounting major like in Brawijaya University. I have friend at Erlangga University, and there's no assistancy like in here.
I personally think Brawijaya University is near from my hometown, and that's why I
Where did you come from actually?
I'm from Kediri.
Oh, from Kediri, yeah.
Okay, SUB in Malang, and the weather is quite cool and comfortable. It really helps me for study.
Of course, as I know before, accounting in UB is on the top 5, and that's why it makes UB different with other universities.
Yes, I agree with her. In UB, special because it top 10.
Top 10
Because University of Brawijaya in Malang, and for me the vibes makes me comfort and very fresh. So I think the vibe for study is really makes me comfort.
Sangat bagus.
I personally think University of Brawijaya is special because this campus encourage their students not only grow in academically but also grow with organization, also community.
Okay, I see.
Okay, now we are in the Faculty of Economics and Business. So, what made you decide to study in the Faculty of Economics and Business?
I've always been interested in economics, business, and finance, so I want to explore them in FAB.
That's great. So,
I have interest in accounting and finance field since junior high school.
In the future, I want to come to right.
Because one of the best economic faculty in Indonesia.
So I've been always into economics and business, and FEB UB well known for that, and it just made it make sense for me.
Because since high school, I have been interested in field related to finance. Plus, at the time, there was an aptitude test was result also point toward the financial field. So, from that, I start to feel that, I want to take the Faculty of Economic and Business. Yes.
For me, why I choose economic and business, because my parents told me to study in accounting, and then I think it aligned with my passion and my strength in numbers, so that's why I chose FEB.
I choose FEB because it offers many career paths and its academic environment is competitive and supportive.
Just for your information, my last education is not from social, it was from science, so which is in Injur, but in high school, I'm so interested to economics materials.
I chose this faculty because I know that a lot of graduates in here is a successful person. Yeah, because of that.
And more specifically, why did you choose accounting as your major? As I said before, I really like numbers, so I think it's really aligned with my passion and my strength. And then accounting is really a general program, so we can join many work. That's why I choose accounting.
I choose accounting because it has a clear career prospect and aligns with my interest in numbers and analysis.
Karena yang tadi saya katakan, saya pengen menjadi konsultan pajak. Jadi mana kalau saya ingin menjadi konsultan pajak, saya itu harus menempuh pendidikan di Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, khususnya di program studi akuntansi.
One is because prospect. Accounting has promising prospect, and I interest in accounting because I'm already study and want to belajar lebih juga.
I thought when I study accounting, I still can study management. I still can understand management, so that's why I into accounting. Okay.
First of all, I like doing math. I will fit in accounting because a lot of number in accounting.
Because really match my interest.
As I said earlier, since high school, I have been interested in things related to finance. So from there, I start looking for major that relate to finance, and accounting, management, economic came up. But because I want something more specific, I choose accounting as my major in FEB.
Because in this era, I think any company in world or Indonesia is needed accountant or auditor in their company.
That's what I chose accounting because I think accounting is one of the very important role in the office or in the organizations, and I want to play that important role.
Okay, I see.
Did anyone ever influence your choice to be in accounting major?
My mom is accountant. Jadi dari kecil saya sudah biasa dengan jurnal-jurnal yang mama saya bikin. Saya udah biasa melihat laporan keuangan, dan itu saya mulai tertarik. Kayaknya jadi kayak gini seru. Gitu.
I have my mother. who also graduate from this campus, from accounting major also. Angkatan 98 ya, waktu krisis moneter.
So you have a strong channel there because your mom is an accountant.
Accountant, of course.
Alright.
As my family, my mom and my dad always support my decision, and my uncle works in accounting. So I got some inspiration from him too.
To be honest, my brother is also accounting student.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Yeah, he always influenced me to join accounting since I'm on 10th grade.
Especially no, it's pure my own this. But the people closest to me, like my family, my friend, my teacher, helped me a lot more in guiding me rather than influencing me regarding this about my major accounting.
Yes, my dad is also an accountant, and see his hard work and dedication. It's really inspired me to follow his path.
That's cool.
Who influenced me is my parents.
Yes, me too. Yes, my parents influenced me because they believe accounting offers a stable and promising career.
My parents, because my parents asked me to take this major because my parents say this major has a wide prospects, so I choose this major because of my parents.
Yeah. Actually, I was inspired by my father because he is a businessman and I want to take the same path as him.
Okay, then the next questions. What would you do in the future with your degree in accounting, or what your dream job?
In the future, I want to work as an accountant, of course, but I also want to take a lot of certificates. Yeah, that's my future plan.
Ya basic ya pada umumnya, kayak semua orang harus lulus pengen ngapain. Pasti kan pengen kerja lah, mulai dari intern, saya intern di Ford, sama intern masih intern, coba mencari perusahaan yang lebih pasti agar menjadi start tetap, ya lanjutkan hidup seperti biasanya, terus nikah dengan wanita cantik itu, Korea, jadi tax konsultan dengan salary with beautiful wife.
From accounting, I want to take some certification. That we must to take a CA. And actually, I want to be a lecturer too. So I want to take a job.
After graduation, I will into works, and after I got some experience, I'll think about doing master degree or getting professional certification.
Okay. I don't have any, but I'm looking forward to being tax consultant and also auditor.
Of course, work. I have a wish to working in Big Four. As is known, the Big Four are well-known public accounting firm and are sought after by many fresh graduate accounting. But apart from that, I also have the ambition to work at a state-owned enterprise.
I want to become to accountant, especially an auditor.
My future plan is I want to become an internal audit in Bank Indonesia, I think. So I want to achieve many certificate about accounting like CPA, CA or anything.
Yes, I agree with her. My future goals are build a strong CV, especially join competition and possibly get experience in Big Four, maybe.
I want to be an accountant or auditor in the future.
Really nice.
And that's a glimpse of the voices behind future accountants. Different stories, one destination. Faculty of Economics and Business, University of Brawijaya, where dreams are shaped and futures are built. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you so much, Michiko.
Thank you, Rahma. Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay. Thank you,
Guys, that's from me and Adela. Thank you so much. See ya.
Thank you, Samka, for
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. There's no meeting inside.